So how can I add sales channel apps on Shopify? Well, Facebook and Instagram sales channel by Meta, this app really allows you to sell your products directly on Facebook and Instagram. So I'm going to show you how you can install it. So we're gonna have to head over to settings. Please click on settings, and then here please click on apps and sales channels, and here please click on app Shopify App Store, and here please click on search bar, and here search for Facebook and Instagram. Let's click on Facebook and Instagram. Do you like this sound? And here we have the apps. Voila. Click on here and I see install. And of course, I'm going to click on the install button because why not? And then here we have install. So I'm going to click on install, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.